Amazon FBA Wholesale, many people call it the next step of their business after they've started with arbitrage. And it is important to know that wholesale is a lot harder than doing arbitrage when selling on Amazon. And it can take you a lot longer to find great wholesale products. So in today's video, we're going to be showing you something which is going to make your life a million times easier. So make sure to stick around as it may just transform your Amazon business. So welcome back to the Profitl channel. I'm Joe. We post Amazon videos every single Thursday. Please do hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. So today we'll be showing you the easiest way to find your wholesale products using a wholesale scanner, and specifically Profitl Wholesale Scanner. So what actually is a wholesale scanner? Well, many wholesalers out there will provide you a spreadsheet with all of their products listed in them. But typically what you'd have to do is you'd have to go through this file and check each product one by one to see if it's a good FBA deal. So you'd have to compare your file against a product on Amazon. So as you can imagine, this takes a very long time to do, and especially if the files have thousands of items in them, which they often do have. And as well as it taking you a long time, it is also incredibly boring. So with a wholesale scanner like Profitl's, all you have to do is upload the file and we will scan it for you and give you all the profitable ones, tell you how much they're selling, what is their profit. So it just saves you an extreme amount of time. So we're sure by now that sounds very interesting, so make sure to stick around to see exactly how it works. But before we get into it, we did just want to let you know about an exclusive Profitl discount code for our YouTube watchers. We're going to make it pop up just here. That will save you either 5% on yearly plans, and yearly plans already have 50% off, or 20% on monthly plans. So make sure to take that down. And even if you're not looking to start FBA yet, if you are in the future, that's going to save you some money on your Profitl subscription. So you'll be able to see the screen now, and here we are on the Profitl Wholesale Scanner. And this is a really easy thing to use, and it has been recently upgraded, so you now do get unlimited scans, so you can scan as many items as you'd like. Now all we have to do, once we have the file from our wholesaler, so we click the file and we add it into the wholesale scanner, and as we can see, this file here has 2,362 products in. It's really easy to use, and we recommend to do some formatting of the file beforehand just to make it even easier. But all you have to do is match the wholesaler's headers with the Profitl headers. So here are the sections on the file. So we have a product name, a barcode, and a price. So we're just going to match up each of these sections. So the product name will go to item name, the barcode will be the EAN or the UPC, and then we'll match up the price and the cost here. Now straight away, before we even upload it, Profitl is going to do a quick check of this file to see if there's any potential issues in it. So this may be that it's not actually a barcode, or there may be certain characters the file doesn't like. So in this file, we can see that there are rows with 937 issues. So typically these are because of a barcode issue. So all we need to do is remove rows of issues, and this has left us with 1,425 items, which we can now scan. So all we now need to do is click Start Wholesale Scan. So what Profitl is now going to do, it's going to start working through this file using the barcode. So it will check each barcode on Amazon to see how much it's selling for, and it will compare it against your file. And you'll be able to follow its progress as it works through. So we can see this file is now 100% done. So there's this little green bar, and this will go from 0 to 100% as it processes them. And as we can see here, it completed 951 out of 1,400. So the 600 which failed, that is typically because they don't exist on Amazon. So for us to successfully scan an item, it must exist on Amazon. Obviously, if it doesn't exist, then there's nothing to compare the data against. Now, once it's completed, it's really easy to view the data. All we do is click View Scan, and then we'll click View Process Products, and then we can see all of our products here, and we can sort them by estimated sales, and now we can easily find the best wholesale deals. Now, as we do always like to remind people that just because it is selling well and it's making profit doesn't necessarily mean it is a good FBA deal. So we do have to check the data, and it's really easy to do this because we can just click the scan button just here. If there's a deal which we like the look of, we can click scan. That's going to load the Profitl scanner on the web version, or you can also look at it on our Chrome extension. We can click calculate, and that's going to kick back all the results. So we can check stock levels for our competition. We can have a look at the price graphs, whether we're gated, whether there's potential warnings. So it is really, really easy to analyze your deals even further and help you make them informed decisions so you're not going to make too many bad buys. So this is a tool we really recommend to use if you are doing FBA, albeit we do recommend to start with arbitrage first. It's really important to start to branch into wholesale, as there is a lot more option for profitability doing this, and there can be less competition. So it really can transform your FBA business. But that is how you use a wholesale scanner to save you hours when it comes to sourcing your FBA products. We hope you found that video helpful. As always, if there's any other videos you'd like me to make, please let me know in the comments. You'll find all of our important links in the description. But thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.